The way my mouth is salivating right now is unreal. So when I go and do my cardio today, guess what? The thighs aren't rubbing together. Yes. Y'all, this has 6 grams of protein. I wanted to try a new one. It has soy in it though, so not my favorite. Just made a super quick breakfast today. I have some bacon, some toast with vegan butter, the Silk Blueberry brand coconut milk yogurt. I probably won't buy it again just because it has soy in it, but it does have 6 grams of protein. And I put blueberries, of course, and then we have some orange juice. Focus. I swear this camera hates me. I made a double shot oat milk latte. It's my second one today, guys, because I was just filming content and stuff and your girl needed some energy, but I was like, we need to go to the gym. I want to do some stretching and I want to do a little bit of cardio. Little gym fit of the day. Shout out to Gymshark for sponsoring your girl. You can shop through my support link in the description box below. And I just got a really exciting email from my Gymshark manager, and now I have an actual discount code for you guys, which is so exciting because that means you guys can use code Lachey at checkout and you'll get 10% off your order. So thank you so much to any of you girls that did use my support link, and honestly, like, that was doing the most because you didn't even do anything other than support your girl and let Gymshark know that you came from like my channel and stuff. So I do really appreciate that. But I got the news today that I have a code, which makes me super excited for you guys. So you can save some coin at checkout, and they have so many good sales going on right now. I just posted a Gymshark haul a couple vlogs ago. Hopefully by the time I get this up, those things will still be on the website, but definitely check that out. I'll put the link in the description and the code as well, so you guys can save it and use it if you guys choose to. And if you guys do, please let me know so I can give you a huge freaking thank you for showing your love and showing your support. And as always, let me know what you guys are picking up from Gymshark because I like to see what you guys get. Definitely gives me inspo when it comes to shopping around and trying new things. I am wearing this fleece. Got this on Black Friday from Gymshark because it's cold. I thought it was spring. I'm over here in shorts. I really thought it was spring and it was starting to warm up, but they said, psych, we're going back to being cold and borderline windy. So I just wanted to pop in the vlog today. I am going to be working out in this crew neck. It's the oversized crew neck. This is the black color. I like to wear size medium, which is what I have on right now. They're already oversized, but I still recommend going up one size if you want that loose type of a fit. And underneath I have on the Gymshark ruched sports bra. I'm wearing a size small, and I thought this color looked really cute with these cycling shorts from the Animal Adapt collection. Some days I'm in a matchy mood, but other days I like to wear similar colors and make a whole fit out of it that way. And these are my favorite freaking bottom that Gymshark has. They're so flattering. I have lots of length, so when I go and do my cardio today, guess what? The thighs aren't rubbing together. Yes, and I don't have to go and do this. I hate doing this whenever I have short shorts on. So go for their bikers, or they call them cycling shorts. These are a size medium. I'm a medium in the bottoms when it comes to Gymshark's sizing. For reference, these are such a good flat shoe, and I really wanted to test them out at the gym today. And I got them in my true size. Oh, they look so cute. I usually wear high tops, right, to the gym, so I was like, let me get a low top for like all my shorts and stuff, and it definitely makes me feel thick. So I love the look and the silhouette of these. So if you're looking for a good lifting shoe, I'll link these below. And again, they run true to size, and I recommend going for white because you can wear them with all of your gym fits. Period. Summer's almost here. Y'all better go get you some Oxy Shred. Solid sesh, guys. By the way, these shoes are so comfortable. I did cardio, I did upper body, I stretched. You guys, I'm gonna try something I've been wanting to make for a minute now, and I thought doing a birria ramen would be so good. So I was like, how am I gonna do this? Do I use the water still from the noodles, or do I just use the broth from the birria? And I googled it on YouTube, and it turns out a lot of people have done this before, and I don't have a ton of birria because this is just leftover Trader Joe's beef birria from yesterday when I had it, and I wish I saved, well, I ate all the broth, girl. I go through this stuff so quick. But anyway, I'm gonna boil the ramen noodles, and then we'll see how much liquid we get when I heat up the beef birria. But it's gonna be pretty spicy. It's gonna be super seasoned. I have some lime juice here, so I'm gonna add probably a little bit of that for some freshness. If you had cilantro, some onion, you can put that in there, but I don't have that. So let me know if you girls have ever made beef birria ramen. And what do you put in it? This is my favorite ramen to get. It has some really good seasoning. It doesn't taste like Top Ramen, which Top Ramen has milk in it, so I don't eat that for obvious reasons. And then also has like dried like vegetables and I think beef in here, so I'll probably use that. Maybe I won't, I don't know, we'll see, girl. And then we have the noodles. So I really hope this satisfies both my ramen and my birria craving, because I might just be onto something. Okay, so I just heated up my birria and I realized I don't have enough liquid, obviously, so I'm just gonna use the ramen and make the broth, and then I'll have enough liquid hopefully for my noodles. And girl, when I tell you I just eat birria all the time, I don't have that much meat. It's like the little shreds that are left, but I think it'll be enough to add some substance to my noodles. There's like some fatty bits like that. I don't want that in my noodles, so I'm gonna get rid of that and I'll be right back. Get that seasoning. You know, some people like their ramen dry. Comment below if that's you, girl. We need to have a talk. Nah, I used to eat them dry like that when I was little, and I would put butter in there, but that's not the type of ramen that I want to make tonight for dinner. So I'm gonna add all of the broth, because that's where the flavor is at, and then the birria on top so that people know what's going on. And then I'm gonna top it off with some lime. If you have fresh lime, baby, go ahead using that. The way my mouth is salivating right now is unreal. I already know this is gonna slap just by looking at the broth. Oh my god, I had to post it to my stories, let the girlies know. Let me know if you guys try this out, or if you've been making it and I'm just late to the party, because oh my god, it's the protein for me, and it's the fact that I have meat in my noodles, because whenever I have this ramen, I don't make it with meat, you know? Oh my god, this looks so good. Oh my god, spicy. Ooh, I like that lime though. Hold up. This is everything I didn't know. Seriously, everything I didn't know I needed.